Alright, day number 2. We made the headers, 3 layers, but we still need to pass another layer here because it's not completely white. And I also did the middle pipe, but on this point, as you can see, the color didn't stay on, so we have to redo this one more time. And after, we are going to install on the Mini. Alright, for the next one, I bought the Minispares intake. It's an alloy one. I don't know why Minispares doesn't port inside, and it's like a pain here. Give me a second. So I'm gonna put the drill inside here, and I'm gonna make the surface like this, total flat, so the gas flows more easier, because with the paint inside the inlet manifold, it's gonna work like a brake for the air fuel mix. So I'm gonna start right now, and you're gonna see the process. Now we're gonna start porting the intake. Make sure you don't put a lot of force when you're doing this, because you're gonna make the hole bigger and you're gonna destroy the intake. I'm just touching inside and remove the color, nothing more than this. Okay, that's enough for here. The color is out, I'm stopping right here. Okay, that's for here. We are going deeper. Okay, I'm stopping here. That's good. The whole point is not to make the hole bigger, it's just to remove the color and you make it the surface more straight, so the air fuel mix flows more quickly inside the engine. Okay, that's good. And we will stop here. I've got one more piece. With a little touch, this is how it's done. So now it's completely shine, let's say, and I'm gonna continue the same from the intake here, and I'm not going too far, because after I'm gonna make the hole bigger and I'm gonna destroy the whole design. Now let's go for here. Let's start from here. Now I'm gonna switch to a smaller head over here, and I'm gonna try to catch the edges, the small ones, and I'm gonna stop right here. Πάμε τώρα και μία στα ελληνικά. Οι εισαγωγές από το Minispare έρχονται βαμμένες μάλλον με ηλεκτρostατική βαφή ή βούτυγμα, δεν ξέρω πώς ακριβώς. Κάτι το οποίο όμως θα εμποδίσει το μείγμα, γιατί δεν θα πηγαίνει ευθεία μέσα, να είναι λίγη εισαγωγή. Άρα το κάνω ένα μικρό porting, ας πούμε, για να κυλάει πιο εύκολα. Τώρα θα πιάσει, δεν θα πιάσει, θα το δούμε όταν μπει πάνω. Συνεχίζουμε στα αγγλικά. Now, This one is too small and I couldn't fit it on the air machine, so I took the electric drill with the battery, and I'm gonna make the last remaining parts over here, and after we are going to install on the car. In the next video, because now with the coronavirus we can't make insurance and get the car out on the road. Okay, as you can see from the factory, they are not very straight, so I would like to say to Minispares, when you make this product, the inlet pipes here, please make them more straight. It's gonna help the air fuel mix to go easier on the engine. So this is the more I can go. I'm not going any further because I'm afraid I'm gonna damage this one here. Okay, I'm not going any further. I'm gonna blow it with some air inside here, and after we're going to install it. So, thanks for watching. I'm gonna tell you what I feel, the difference when I will install this on the car. Until the next video, have a nice afternoon. Cheers.